Cleaning your ActivePure technology pure and clean is quite easy. This video is intended to give you a step-by-step instruction. Before we begin, you will need a very small Phillips head screwdriver and a cleaning cloth. When it's time to clean your ActivePure technology pure and clean, a light that looks like a duster and says clean will begin blinking. This indicates that it's time for filter maintenance. Next, you'll want to turn off your device by pressing the power button and unplugging the unit. With the device turned off and unplugged, locate the press buttons on the back of the device. These two buttons are located towards the top. Press them to remove the back panel. When the back panel is removed, you'll see the unit's filter that needs to be removed. To do so, locate the screw position in the center and remove it with a screwdriver. Carefully remove the filter from the device by pulling the black ribbon. You can clean the device by wiping away dirt and debris from both sides of the filter. While you can use a cleaning cloth, you can also use the hose of a vacuum to clean each square. When the ActivePure filter is clean, place it back into the device and secure it in place with the screw. Replace the back panel and secure it by snapping the press buttons into place. When you turn the device back on, you must reset the system so that the clean indicator no longer blinks. To do so, press and hold the reset button until the clean indicator light turns off. Next, to ensure that the ActivePure cells are activated, press the APure button until the cell indicator light comes on. It's that simple. Thank you for choosing ActivePure technology. ActivePure is the only surface and air technology available that is safe, proven, effective, and certified to protect your indoor environments from viruses and bacteria.